In today's video, we will uncover foods that contain natural medicines, providing a holistic approach to improving your health. We'll be exploring a variety of these amazing foods and their unique health benefits. Let's start with the tiny powerhouses of antioxidants, blueberries. These delicious berries are packed with anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties and help fight off free radicals. Blueberries have been linked to improved cognitive function, heart health, and even a reduced risk of age-related diseases. Enjoy them in smoothies, on top of your yogurt, or as a healthy snack. Next up, we have the sweet and golden elixir of nature, honey. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments. It possesses antibacterial properties and can soothe a sore throat, relieve coughs, and even promote better sleep. Add a spoonful of honey to your herbal tea or drizzle it over your morning toast. Now, let's talk about cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. These veggies are packed with compounds called glucosinolates, which have shown potential in preventing certain types of cancer. They are also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, supporting overall health and digestion. Include them in stir-fries, roasted dishes, or enjoy them steamed. When life gives you lemons, embrace their natural healing properties. Lemons are high in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports the immune system, aids in digestion, and promotes healthy skin. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into your water, dressings, or use it as a zesty marinade for your favorite dishes. Ah, the golden spice of life, turmeric. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to alleviate pain, reduce inflammation, and support joint health. Incorporate turmeric into your curries, smoothies, or try a soothing cup of turmeric tea. Now, let's crack open the benefits of walnuts. These brain-shaped nuts are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and can reduce the risk of heart disease. Walnuts are also rich in antioxidants, fiber, and minerals. Enjoy them as a snack, sprinkle them on salads, or add them to your baking recipes. Last but certainly not least, we have leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These vibrant greens are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. They support bone health, boost the immune system, and help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Add them to your salads, sautés, or blend them into your morning smoothies. And there you have it, a vast array of foods that contain natural medicines, providing a holistic approach to enhancing your health. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your daily routine, you can embrace the healing power of nature and nourish your body from within.